Alrighty, guys, here we go. Prizm Basketball, random teams number 23. Skylar asked about our eBay store. So if you go to our website and you get, there you go, eBay breaks. We got a button on there now. It's right up on the website. You can click on eBay breaks. Been a long time coming, but we do have that nice little update. So go there, the store, BSC-Chris. Boom, there it is. Hot diggity. Auctions have completed for tonight, though. But anyway, thanks for asking, Skylar. There's the link if you guys are looking for them eBay breaks. Now there's a nice quick way to get to them from bomberbreaks.com, too. All right, so 3 plus the 5, 8 clicks. Hot Atlanta to the Wizards. All right, 8 times. This is all 30 NBA teams. All right, so now the Thunder to the Cavs. We've got them all mixed up here. Thunder to Cavs. All right, they look good there. All right, and our folks in. So Raymond to Richard. 3 and 3 more. He's heating up. All right, and Justin to Richard. The list goes. And matching you guys up. And boom, there it is. So, let's alphabetize. Oh, Andrew up top there with the Celts and Clippers. Scott, Lakers, Blazers. You guys want to talk trade, feel free. Now's a good time. I'll be getting the packs out pretty darn quick in this one. So what that one times national promo means is we'll have a prize pool for next week's breaks, and you'll be entered in. Your name will get entered in one time per spot taken in that break. So for every team that you own, you'll be entered in one time. There'll probably be some higher dollar breaks that you'll be entered in multiple times for. Alright guys, the Prizm box is out. Nice, guys. Check out the promo info. Some nice stuff in the promos, guys, so check those out. I'm going to go to the news tab. And let's see if I can find it. Oh, good. It's got its own heading. Yeah, so guys, check it out. Kevin shared the link. So there's some break credits, some wax, some gear. Tiered spot in every ignition release. That's awesome. Somebody will win 1,200 in break credit, 600. Metcalf, Tyson, Burrow, Montana, Marino. Some of the stuff in there. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the Prizm. Oh my goodness, Jamie, you still working on that rainbow? I'm glad you mentioned that. We all better be searching for that one. All right, guys, good luck. May the boom be with you all. Well, there's a start. There's a Kerry Junior rookie and a Cole Anthony rookie card. 2 rooks right off the bat. I got Blue Ice coming up. It is Nico Mannion for Golden State. 58 out of 125. Congrats to the Warriors. Golden State. Let me sort my... That's Benjamin. And holy cow. How about Dirk Nowitzki? Chrome signatures card of Dirk going to the Mavs. Dallas Michael doing work. Boom. Wow. That's awesome. Dirk Nowitzki auto from the first darn pack. All right, nice first pack. Hey, there's a Quickly. Rookie for the Knicks and Isaiah Stewart, Detroit. Michael with Detroit. Quickly, Richard. Silver side up to Anthony Melton. Grizz. And Avery Bradley, red wave. Los Angeles Lakers, Jimmy Butler, Fireworks, and base. Aaron A. Smith, rookie. There's one rookie here on the front of the pack. Little Hyper Prizm, Danny Green, Lakers. And Russell Westbrook, Downtown Rockets. Going to Witt. And the Downtown base card of Luka. Base insert. And there's the Doncic base card in the set. Udoka Azubuike. Rookie for the Jazz. Silver coming up. It's a CJ McCollum for the Portland Trail Blazers, Scott. And a Bradley Beal for the Wizards. Also silver side up. Jason Tatum fireworks. Tyler Bay rookie. Dallas. Silver Kyrie for the Nets. Congrats, Dan. And a Cameron Johnson Phoenix Suns red foil. Red wave, I guess I should say, right? Downtown Kawhi Leonard. Trae Young. Skyler to the Hawks. Oh, Killian Hayes rookie. Second rookie in there. And Nazibuki. Hyper. And there's an orange behind him. Udoka Hyper and Chris Stapsport. Zingas Mavericks. Serial number 12 of 49. Porzingis. Boom. Michael, congrats. Paul Pierce. Fearless insert. The big fella. Shaquille O'Neal. Followed up by Kenyon Martin Jr. for the Rockets. Boom. Rookie. And Purple Ice, Luke Kennard. And we're going to have our second autograph. There's Kennard to the Pistons. Purple Ice, numbered 125 out of 175. And autograph, it's a Hyper. Udoka Azubuike. Utah Dave. Boom. Mojo. What'd I say? Hyper? It's a Mojo, man. 19 out of 25. What they call it. 19 out of 25. Mojo Prizm. Nice short print there. So we got our 2 autographs, guys. We still have 5 packs to go. Good luck. There's some more good stuff inside. Well, Trey Jones. Rui base behind Trey. Silver, Dwight Powell. And a Royce O'Neal, Utah. Red wave. Russell Westbrook. 12-13. Turn back the clock. Nick Richards. Back in there for Charlotte. And, oh, nice Kawhi Leonard to the Clippers. Andrew with the Hyper Prizm. And a red one of that other Hornet. Oh, the other Hornet. Mark's like, come on, man. 110 out of 299. Richards. Kawhi Leonard fireworks insert. All right, come on. And then Grant Riller shows up. Man, Nico again. Silver side up. Mannion there. And another Kawhi Leonard. This is the widescreen silver. Hello. And a downtown Jamal Murray. Robert Woodard, the second. Rookie for Sacktown. And a silver Zubac. And Ben Simmons, a red wave for the Sixers. One of Michael there. Steve Nash, fearless. All right. And more bags of sleep. Guys, can we get clearly authentic full? I'll break it before eBay. We got Zeke Najai to the Nuggets, rookie. Zach Collins. Blazers, hyper. And a Derek White. 167 of 199 to the Spurs. Gary hits the numbered blue. James Harden, widescreen. All right, and that will do it. All right, guys. Some of the standard insert set guys here. As we went along, I sleeved all the rookies and prisms. Quick recap of those. Stewart and Quickly, Anthony, Carey, Derek White blue, Collins, Zeke, Ben red, Wave, Zubac silver, Woodard, Kawhi, and Nico silvers, Riller, Richards, Leonard, Richards, Westbrook, O'Neal, Powell silver, Jones, purple ice Kennard, Martin Jr., Udoka, Hayes and Mays, Johnson red, Irving is a silver, Bay, Beal, and McCollum, both silvers, Ross, Danny Green, Aaron, Avery, and Anthony Melton. And we did hit the mojo out of 25 of Azubuike. Porzingis out of 49 in red. The rookie of Nico to 125. And the biggest boom in there, Dirk Nowitzki, signatures. A beauty right there. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Congrats to those that hit them. And good luck to, of course, everybody in this week's prize pool. And guys, check it out, man. We are going to have some national promos coming up this week. You won't want to miss out on those, guys. We'll be doing some breaks. Already will be here in the friendly confines. Breaking for you guys Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is the plan. All right, we'll stop and save it, guys, right now. And let's go clearly.